Okay.
Hello everyone, I'm Fontaine and country coordinator and I'm with Agronomist Vito. Agronomist Guido. Lineal Widow. So we are so happy today to be in Fontaine to get this well repair about a few years ago. So the population have a lot of problems to get water. So they are to go somewhere else to get some contaminated water, which is not good for their health. So I will ask the lady, and she will, as the leader, she will tell me um, what that means for the community and how it will be changed their life. Mami ki sa sa vle di pou nou jodi a par rapport de ti yo sa ki reje a e ki sa sa ka pote pou nou en termes de bénéfices pour santé ti moun yo. Wet sa le?
Mdi mersi anpil, mdi mersi anpil paske de a pa fasil pou nou men.
So I say thank you a lot because the water is not easy for us.
Paske le pou nou konsid do se nan pa semi, se pou nan jis nan la batiman yo di po.
Because when we need some water, we have to go to work to the river. A few hours working on our foot to go to the river and then to get the water. As it's not a good water, it's like contaminated water. So it provide business for the kids.
Ide le pou jenon ti dlo pou bwese nan pa semize. Pou ta jenon ti l'ajan pou ta pa son chase dlo bon gide lo même kob lo pa jen
It was so difficult to find water in the locality, and then so we have to go to the river as I said before, and then if we get some, we have to buy some bags of water, so we don't have money for buy it. So many of them, so we are thinking about our kids with thirsty, and then we have to go to the river to get the water. So because the water was not easy for us. So maybe you don't know what you do for us, but God will give it back to you. So when they all got to the river to get the water, so the water was not good, so it's not good for our kids. So many times, so they have bad stomachache because they drink bad kind of water. And thank you so much because you fixed the well. That means you bring life in our community again, and then God will give it back to you. Thank you, everyone.
Huh?